Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel 8 e-commerce tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about user change password. So let's see how can we create change password for user or customer. First of all, let's create a new Livewire component. So switch to the command prompt and for creating the new Livewire component, just type here the command php artisan make livewire a space directory name which is user slash component name, let's say component name is user change password component. Alright, now press enter. Now run the application. So right here php artisan serve. Now switch to the project and let's create the route for this new component. So just go inside the routes directory, then open web.php file, and inside the user route group, middleware route group, inside this group, let's create a new route. So right here route get, add here the URI users slash change dash password, add here the class name user change password component colon class, also add here the name route name, let's say route name is user dot change password. Alright, now save this. Now go to the user change password component class file. So just go inside the app directory, then http livewire the user, and from here just open user change password component .php. Okay, this one. And inside this component class file, first of all let's add here the layout. So right here layouts dot layout name which is base. Alright, and now let's open the user change password component view file. So just go inside the resources directory, then views livewire user, and from here just open this one user change password component.php file. And inside this file, let's create a form for changing the password. Okay, so first right here add here the container. Alright, container, and also add here some style padding top 30 pixel and bottom, and left right 0 pixel. Alright, now let's add here the row, then column MD12. Now add the panel default, then panel heading, and inside this heading just add here change password. Okay, this is the heading. Now panel body, and inside this let's create the form. Okay, so add here the form tag, also set the class form dash horizontal. Okay, and inside this add the div form group, then create the label. So add here label class md4. Okay, also add here the one more class which is control dash label, and now add here the text current password. Alright, now add here input password field. So first add here the div class md4, and inside this write here input type is equal to password and placeholder current password. Alright, and also add the class form dash control and input as empty. Alright, also set the name. Name is equal to password. Current password. Current underscore password. Now close this. Alright, now let's copy this div and paste for the new password and new confirm password, and one for the submit button. Okay, and from submit button just remove this label, and here add the submit button. So write your button type is equal to submit, and also add the class btn dash primary, and now let's write here submit. Okay, and for the new password, select this and press Ctrl D and change here the text new password. Okay, and also change here the name password, and here confirm password. Alright, and here name, and inside the name just write here password underscore confirmation. Okay, confirmation. Alright, okay, now save this file, and first of all let's add the link inside the user menu. Okay, here for the change password. Okay, so let's open the layout file. So just go inside the layouts directory, and from here just open base.blade.php file, and inside this user menu, this is the admin menu and this is the user menu. Okay, inside this menu let's copy this, and after this just paste here, and now change here the text, press Ctrl D and Ctrl plus D, and now just change here the text change password. Okay, and also change here the route name user dot change password. Okay, so copy and paste here. Now save this. Alright, now let's check this form. So switch to the browser and just refresh the page. Now inside the user menu you can see here the change password link. Okay, now just click on this link, and here you can see the form for change password. This is for current password. Okay, new password, and this is for confirm password. Okay, alright, now switch to the project and just go inside the class file, user change password complete class file, and inside this class file let's create three properties here. So write here public first property, which is current underscore password, another property which is $password, and third property which is $password underscore confirmation, this one. Alright, and now let's create a function, public function, and function name change password. Okay, and inside this first of all validate these fields. Okay, before validating let's bind this property. Okay, so copy this, and inside the current password input field let's bind this. So just write your wire model is equal to current password. Okay, and now let's copy this one password, and inside the password field let's write here wire model is equal to password, and now copy the password confirmation, this property, and here just write wire colon model is equal to password underscore confirmation. Alright, now save this. Now inside the class file, inside this change password method, let's validate this. So right here $this arrow validate, and inside this just pass here current underscore password colon required. Alright, arrow sign. Alright, and here password, and add the validation required. Also set here the minimum length 8 and confirmed, and also add here different, and just pass here this one current password, different from current password. Okay, required spelling mistake REQ. Alright, required mean 8, confirmed, and then different from current password. Alright, now after this, and one more thing, let's add here lifecycle hook method, which is updated. So write a public function updated. Okay, and inside this hook method pass one parameter, one argument, which is fields, and inside this right here $this validate only this one, and first pass this argument, and then add a comma, then array, and inside this array let's copy this validation and paste here. Okay, alright, now for displaying this validation error on the form, inside this view file, after this input field, let's add here @error directive error, and inside this just pass here the property name, which is current password. So copy and paste here, and then add the p tag class is equal to text danger. Alright, and inside this p tag let's display here the message $message. Okay, and now let's and after this p tag just close here the end error. Okay, now let's copy this and paste for the new password. So after this just paste here, and for confirm password just paste here. Alright, and also change here the name, property name. So this password, and here password confirmation. So just copy and paste here. Alright, now save this, and inside the form let's call this function change password function. Okay, so let's copy this function name, and on form submit, so right here wire colon submit dot event is equal to this function name change password. Okay, now save this, and inside this function after this validation, first check the current password. So right here if has import this, you can import like this. Okay, has, and after this just right here colon check function, and inside this just pass here $this arrow current password, and compare with auth. Alright, and also import here the auth like this, auth colon user, and let's switch here the password. Okay, if current password is equal to this one, it's true, then first is the user. So right here $user is equal to user model colon find or fail, and inside this just pass here the user ID. Okay, so right here auth user arrow ID. Alright, and after this just update the user password. So right here $user arrow password, okay, is equal to, and make hash. So right here hash colon make function, and inside this just pass here the new password. Okay, $this arrow password, this one, and after this just save. So right here $user and save method, and also return a message. So inside the session call the flash method, flash add the key password underscore success, add here the message password has been changed successfully. Alright, and inside the else part let's copy this and paste here. Okay, and change here the key password underscore error. Okay, and here just write the message password does not match. Okay, alright, now save this. Now let's show this message, okay, inside the form. So before this form let's add here, first check inside the session. So right here if session has this key password underscore success, okay, double S. Okay, so just copy this, and inside this just paste here, and let's close this. In if, and here just add the div class is equal to alert success, also set the role alert, and inside this just display here the message. So get the value from session, get, and let's copy this key and paste here. Okay, this is for success message. Okay, and for the error let's copy this and paste here. Now change here the session key which is password error. Okay, so copy and paste here, also change here, and now change here the class alert dash bencher. Okay, alright, now save this. Now everything is done, so let's check this. So switch to the browser and just refresh the page. Alright, if I click on submit without entering any value inside the text field, okay, so if I click on this, you can see here the validation error. Okay, now let's enter here the current password. So simply write here current password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, and now let's enter here the new password, and also enter confirm the new password. So write this. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Alright, now click on submit, and you can see here the message password has been changed successfully. Alright, Now current password is 129. Okay, so let's log out. And if I try to log in with old password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and if I click on login, you can see here the error, the credential do not match. Okay, now let's enter the new password. So right here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. All right, now click on login, and you can see here successfully logged in. Okay, all right, so in this way you can create change password for user. So that's all about user change password. So thanks for watching this video, and if you still have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.